Cooking in winter is just so much more satisfying. There's nothing better than slow cook recipes that you prep in the morning, go off to work, come back and hit that aroma. It's like a nice little present to yourself. Today we're going to cook with a cut of beef that's often overlooked, but in my personal opinion has to be one of the best. Oxtail is a real delicacy in a lot of Asian countries. The flavour is intense and cooked properly, the texture just melts in your mouth. This will bring our sticky Asian style stew together perfectly with steamed rice and a bit of fresh cucumber to balance it at the end. To start, we're going to brown off the oxtail. Oh, these are nice meaty oxtail from Borello beef. Oh, these are going to come up a treat. All right, so these are looking great. Got a nice little caramelisation on the fat there. You're just sealing to hold in as much moisture as you can. We'll keep all those nice flavours in the pot for the next part. Just going to add a little bit of sesame oil, heaps of ginger, about 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic in here. I've got some coriander stalks and star anise and clove, and just give that we're just going to get all the aromats going here with the heat. So once these have picked up all those lovely fatty meaty flavours and they've gone a bit translucent, we're going to add the Shaoxing wine and soy sauce. So in my recipe it's dark and light, but I just use a normal soy sauce. Pop some bay leaves in here. And lastly, we'll add some sugar. This is just to sweeten it all up a bit. Let that dissolve. And we'll add the beef back in. And we're going to top it up with water. This will simmer for about 2, 3, 4 if you want hours with the lid on, but leave the lid slightly ajar so that it doesn't bubble over. All right, so after about 3 hours, what you're looking for is for that meat to be, falling off the bone, which is exactly what we've got here. Oh, look at that wiggle. So at this point, we'll take them out and we want to reduce the sauce so that it becomes more like a glaze. So we've got some steamed rice here, and because this dish is a little bit rich, I do like to add a bit of rice wine vinegar into the rice just at that last steaming phase. It just lightens everything, gives it a bit of acid. Look at that. That is stunning. So if you're looking to break up with your red sauce this winter, even if it's just for a night, I suggest giving this a try.